Ross Vonda V. Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Tommy.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Tommy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, for one, we should have been here a long time ago, but someone keeps delaying.
Really?
Anyway,
Really?
yes, really. You want to start this here? Okay, we could have started this a long time ago. Okay.
Stop, okay?
Mr. Tommy and ma'am, really?
The father insists this case has been stalled for 6 months due to the mother's delays. But here's the thing. Family court cases can drag on for all sorts of reasons, from custody battles to financial disputes or even personal grudges. The real question is, did she intentionally hold things up, or is there more to the story? Let's be honest, any time money and children are involved, tensions are bound to skyrocket. But does that excuse the chaos unfolding in this courtroom? Who do you think is really dragging their feet? Let us know in the comments next.
I mean, the last time I checked, I was the judge. I was asking the questions. I should be the only person in here with a neck roll and an attitude.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do you understand?
Yes.
I understand that tensions are high. Anytime you're talking about children and money, tensions are going to be high. But you all need to try at least to keep it together. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, continue, sir.
Okay, well, she gave me money. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it was once. And
One time?
Yes. It's
For
not
how many kids?
2.
Okay.
And they're in my care right now, and I go full-time to a film school. It's a great film school, but it's very expensive. And I am a trust fund baby. That I realize that.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. But it's running out, and I am scared that I can't afford some of the things that they may need because they're talking about wanting to go into the same thing that I'm doing. And that scares me, for one, because it's very expensive.
Are you paying for school out of that trust too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
Not that you would like.
Okay, well, please, thank you for saving me from that. This case has been pending for a long time. 6 months is a long time. And he says that you keep on delaying it. So I need to know what is the reason for.
Did she just accuse him of tampering with protection to get her pregnant? That's a serious allegation. If true, it could be considered reproductive coercion, an act that in some legal definitions qualifies as abuse. But beyond the legal implications, there's the emotional weight of this claim. This isn't just about money, it's about deception and control. The real question is, does it hold up in court? Without solid proof, accusations like these can quickly turn into a game of he said, she said. Should courts take claims like this into account when deciding custody and financial support? Let us know what you think.
Your Honor, the delay is because he don't even need to have the kids. The only reason why he got the kids anyway was because of his mama and daddy in that damn trust fund. Okay, and then on top of that, he put a case on me.
Are you mad that you don't have a trust fund?
No, I'm not mad that I don't have a trust fund. I got my pension and my retirement, but the problem is he's spoiled.
Please keep talking.
He's spoiled. He's spoiled.
And you have a retirement. Okay, but the children live with him, and it sounds like you're big mad.
No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad behind that. Okay.
What are you upset about?
I'm upset because he pulled the wool over my eyes. Okay.
Okay.
When we first hooked up, all right, I told him what it was that I wanted to be a cop. I always wanted to be a cop, right?
All right.
So he pulls a trick and then ends up getting me pregnant.
What does pull a trick mean?
He poked holes in the condom.
Oh, okay. Well.
And now I got twins. I had the kids originally, but because him and his family got money and he got that stupid trust, guess what? He went and lied. Now he got custody. So it's been taking so long because we've been back and forth out of custody court. And then not to mention he put a case on me because I shot him in his ass. He's an asshole. That's why I shot him.
No, you shot me in the leg and it hurt, and the medical bills
it was
are still
your ass.
piling up. Thank you very much. Okay.
Stop.
You know what? Both of you stop.
Hold. And she shot him. What started as a financial dispute just turned into a full-blown crime scene. And the craziest part? She doesn't even deny it. Legally speaking, it doesn't matter how justified she thinks she was. Shooting someone, even in the leg, is assault with a deadly weapon, and that carries serious consequences. Yet, instead of addressing that, they're locked in a battle over a trust fund. This is not the kind of parental behavior any judge wants to see, but let's be real. Does this hurt her credibility in court? Does a violent past make someone less fit to pay or receive child support? Let us know what you think.
Both of you stop, because this is a lot. I hope you guys do not do this in front of your children. This is absolutely ridiculous. I understand that you're upset, ma'am, but the first thing you're going to do is learn how to speak without cursing, okay? That's the first thing you're going to learn how to do. Because trust me, it's a whole lot of stuff that I want to say up here, but I don't say it. So you're going to learn how to behave. And stop shooting people. Just because you have a gun does not give you the right to go around shooting people, okay? Whether it's in his behind or it was in his leg, you should not be going around shooting people.
His behind.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, well, either way, all I need to know about is the money. Now, you said you did a whole lot of talking. You talked about you being a cop. You said pension. You said retirement. That is music to my ears dealing with child support, okay? So what I need to know, okay, thanks. Hold on. What I need to know, he said you gave him money one time. Is that true?
No.
It's a yes or a no.
No, that's not true.
So how much money have you given him total?
About $3,000.
About $3,000. Whether it happened one time or not, all I need is the amount. How much money do you make a year?
$57,000.
$57,000. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
It's $68.
$68. Okay. You about $5 off. I have 63.
Well, 60.
check.
Okay, it's 63.
Okay,
telling you.
$63, okay? $5, it doesn't make a big difference. Excuse me. I'm not going to ask you again to stop talking to each other. I'm not going to do it. You do not apologize to me again. I just need you to sit over there and be quiet and let me calculate these numbers, okay? And sir, I'm going to need you to just leave her alone, okay? I do not need her to shoot you in this courtroom, okay? So, based on that $57,000 a year, we're going to, your gross is $4,700, that's correct. Giving you credit for the $63 that you pay in health insurance, that brings your net to $3,864.83, okay? Child support, $966.21.
All right, let's break down the numbers. Because this judge is not messing around. The mother earns $57,000 a year, and child support is being calculated based on her income. But here's where things get tricky. The father is a trust fund baby. He has money, but he's not earning it in the traditional sense. That raises a big legal question. Should inherited wealth count when determining child support? Courts usually base payments on earned income, but does that rule still hold if someone is living off investments? What do you think? Should trust fund kids get a financial pass, or should their wealth be treated just like a paycheck? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Yeah. What do you want it to be? You want me to make it a week? I mean, I wish I had the authority to do that, but I don't.
I put my life on the line every day,
And you know
I
what?
gotta
And
pay for this bomb. Like, my kid's supposed to be with me anyway.
Are you kidding me right now?
Excuse me, Mr.
He
Tommy.
not gonna use that for the kids.
Listen here. I applaud you for going out and putting your life on the line every single day. But just like a lot of people out here, they put their lives on the line too when you are raising children. You have to worry about their safety. You have to worry about their welfare when they're no longer in your possession. So it's a lot of people out here have other people depending on them, okay?
I understand.
So if you understand, well, let me go ahead and help you understand a little bit further what else you have to do, because I haven't finished yet. $966.21 is your monthly obligation. However, this case has been delayed a lot because of you. So I'm going to make your child support amount retroactive for the past 6 months. So giving you credit for that $3,000 that you testified to and he said that you've given him some money. You said it was $3,000. I'm going to take your word for it, okay? Giving you credit for that $3,000, your retroactive child support or back pay, whichever one you want to call it, comes down to $2,448 that you owe in back pay, and I'm going to make that payable at $55 a month. All right, so payable at $55 a month, added to your child support obligation, your monthly obligation is $1,021.21. I don't need you looking confused or anything like that, because you have a pension and you have a retirement. I need you to pinch from it and keep living. That's all I need you to do.
I'm not even invested, so.
Well, you know what?
Invested in your kids?
I'm not, listen, it ain't about my kids
You know
now.
what, Mr.
that?
Tommy, do you have anything further?
No, you've been more than helpful. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Ma'am, is there anything else that I could help you with here today?
I just want to make sure my kids get the money. I don't want to pay for his education.
Well, you know what?
He sucks.
You said it. Well, you know what? He ain't sucked that bad when y'all was in the bed. So,
The condom
go
was
ahead. Well, you know what? That has nothing to do with me. That has nothing to do with anything now, because the children are here. They live with him. You're going to be responsible for taking care of them financially. Anything else from you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You all are dismissed.
Shouldn't have delayed.
What a wild case. Deception, a gunshot, financial disputes, and a ruling that left both sides frustrated. But here's the bottom line. Child support is about the kids, not the parents. Whether you're a working parent, a student, or a trust fund baby, the courts expect both parties to contribute fairly. Now let's hear from you. Was the mother's payment fair, or was she stuck with an unfair burden? And seriously, have you ever seen a courtroom case more chaotic than this? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love dramatic legal breakdowns, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping cases every week.